This is your pre-market update from Bajaj Broking, where we bring you the latest market insights to keep you ahead of the curve. Tune in for our evening update for the full market wrap. Global cues remain mixed, with tech-led recovery in the US but caution ahead of the May CPI data. GIFT Nifty indicates a flat to negative start, while Nifty is expected to trade in the 22,900 to 23,350 range. Nifty has key support near 23,000, while Bank Nifty may face resistance around 54,500. FII positioning remains heavily bearish, keeping the broader market structure range-bound to corrective. Let's look at the Indian market. GIFT Nifty signals a flat to negative opening for the Indian market. Nifty spot in today's session likely to trade in the range of 22,900 to 23,350. Indian benchmark indices witnessed a sharp sell-off on June 8th amid weakness in global markets as escalating geopolitical tensions and a surge in crude oil prices, raising concerns over inflationary pressures and their potential impact on economic growth. At close, the Nifty 50 declined 243.70 points or 1.04% to settle at 23,123, while the Sensex fell 719.08 points or 0.97% to close at 73,524.26. On the sectoral front, broad-based selling was witnessed across all major sectors. Nifty Realty emerged as the biggest loser, declining 3.00%, followed by Nifty Metal, which fell 2.76%. Significant weakness was also visible in IT, auto, and energy stocks as investors reduced risk exposure amid uncertain global conditions. The broader market witnessed even stronger selling pressure than the benchmark indices. The Nifty Midcap 100 index declined 1.46% amid profit booking across several sectors, while the Nifty Small Cap 100 index fell nearly 2%, reflecting widespread weakness in the broader market. Index in the daily chart formed an inverted hammer-like candle with a small real body and a long upper shadow, highlighting pullback after a gap down opening, but index failed to sustain at higher levels and gave up most of its intraday pullback to close the session near the open. Nifty, after the recent corrective decline, has approached the immediate support area of 23,000 to 23,200, being the confluence of the 8th April bullish gap area and the 61.8% retracement of the previous pullback, 22,182 to 24,601. Index holding above the support area will lead to consolidation in the range of 23,000 to 23,550 in the coming sessions. A breach below 23,000 will signal extension of the current decline towards 22,800 and 22,600 levels. Index has immediate resistance at Monday's high of 23,267. A move above the same will open upside towards the key resistance area of 23,500 to 23,550 levels. Nifty intraday levels. Resistance at 23,230 and 23,350. Support at 23,000 and 22,910. Bank Nifty resistance at 54,330 and 54,650. Support at 53,800 and 53,510. Let's look at the global and Asian markets. Wall Street ended mixed, with tech and AI-led stocks recovering while cyclical sectors remained weak. Investors stayed cautious ahead of the May CPI data, while easing geopolitical tensions helped cool oil supply concerns. Asian markets traded mixed as the region reacted to Wall Street's tech-led rebound. Kospi saw a sharp recovery. Nikkei stayed nearly flat, while Australia's ASX 200 slipped under commodity pressure. We encourage you to check out the description below for a more in-depth analysis of the option chain, including detailed data and insights. We cover the latest trends, key levels, and options activity to help you stay updated on market movements and make informed decisions. Be sure to visit for all the latest information and expert analysis. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Please read all documents carefully before investing.